What I wish I knew about shrimp when I was 12. Oh, they're not just for dinner. Meet the pistol shrimp. This little creature might look tiny and harmless, but it's got a superpower. The pistol shrimp snaps its claw so fast it makes a bubble that reaches 4,700 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of the sun. But wait, there's more. When this superheated bubble collapses, it creates a shockwave powerful enough to stun or even kill small fish. It's like having a built-in water blaster. Nature is full of surprises, and the pistol shrimp is one of the coolest. So next time you're at the beach, remember, even the tiniest creatures can pack a mighty punch.